Hi students, this is Viswanath, Chemistry faculty for NEET and IIT exams. Generally in the CBSE plus 2 board exams or NEET, IIT or any other competitive exams related to chemistry, they may ask a question, find the product in the below reaction by giving reactant and some other reagent. Then we should know the functioning of that reagent. Then only we can get the answer. So today we are going to learn about organic reagents. Here reagents means reducing reagent, oxidizing agent, decarboxylating agent, dehydration, dehydrohalogylation, dehydrogenation. In this way, different types of reagents are there. So if we know the functioning of these various types of reagents, then we can get the answer correctly. First, we have to say reducing agents. That means reduction process. For the reduction of organic compounds, what are the available reducing agents? What is their functioning? One reducing agent cannot reduce all types of compounds. So for given compound, which reducing agent is suitable and which is not suitable? In this way, if you get all this information, then we can answer the questions very easily. First one, catalytic hydrogenation. Catalytic hydrogenation means in the presence of catalyst, if we add hydrogen to given reactant, that is called catalytic hydrogenation. Hydrogenation means addition of hydrogen. Halogenation means addition of halogen. Hydration means addition of H2O. In the same manner, hydrogen is added in the presence of a catalyst, that is called catalytic hydrogenation. This process can be achieved by two ways. One is using Lindlar's catalyst. What is this Lindlar's? Lindlar is a scientist name. What is this Lindlar's catalyst? It is the combination of palladium catalyst supported by barium sulfate and partially poisoned by sulfur or quinoline or PbCO3, lead carbonate, here supported by barium sulfate or calcium carbonate. So this mixture is called Lindlar's catalyst. This mixture is called Lindlar's catalyst. What is the functioning of this catalyst? It reduces acid chlorides to aldehydes. Acid chlorides to aldehydes, and it reduces triple bond to double bond. Triple bond to double bond. It cannot reduce double bond. So in the given reaction, acid chloride is the reactant, Lindlar's catalyst is the reagent, then product is aldehyde. And in the reactant, triple bond is there, then in the product side, it can be changed to double bond. So in these two situations, we can use this Lindlar's catalyst. See the example. Take acid chlorides. Here H2 gas is passed. H2 gas is passed through the H2 gas is passed through the boiling xylene solution of acid chloride in the presence of palladium catalyst supported by BaSO4 or CaCO3. BaSO4 and partially poisoned by partially poisoned by the addition of sulfur or quinoline or PbCO3. Okay, so this is the reduction of acid chlorides using Lindlar's catalyst. See this example: CH3 COCl plus H2 in presence of Lindlar's catalyst. I am writing composition: palladium plus BaSO4 plus sulfur or quinoline in xylene solution. Okay, then we can get aldehyde CH3 CHO plus HCl. So this is the reduction of acid chloride. This is acetyl chloride. Acetyl chloride is the reactant. Product is acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde. Now take a organic compound having triple bond. See here, CH3 CH2 C triple bond CH. Here there is a speciality for this Lindlar's catalyst. Lindlar's catalyst is used for the reduction of alkynes. Then we can get alkenes in cis form. If we want to get product alkene in cis form, then Lindlar's catalyst is suitable. What is the name of this one? But1-ine. But1-ine is reduced by Lindlar's catalyst. Palladium catalyst supported by barium sulfate and partially poisoned by sulfur or quinoline in boiling xylene. Then we can get cis alkene. See here, C double bond C, hydrogen here, CH3 CH2. So this is cis alkene. What is the name of this one? But1-ene. This is cis form. So in this way we can reduce the acid chlorides to aldehydes and butynes to cis alkenes by using Lindlar's catalyst. Suppose in the given compound both double bond and triple bond are present, then Lindlar's catalyst can reduce only triple bond. It does not affect the double bond present in the given compound. If in a compound both double bond as well as triple bond is present, then Lindlar's catalyst can reduce only triple bond. Okay, remember this point carefully. If in a compound both double bond as well as a triple bond is present, then Lindlar's catalyst can reduce only triple bond. Another thing is, these acid chlorides are reduced to aldehydes. Generally these aldehydes are further reduced to alcohols, but we want this reaction at aldehydic stage. Then it can be achieved by barium sulfate and sulfur. Here palladium catalyst is supported by barium sulfate and partially poisoned by sulfur or quinoline. Due to the presence of palladium catalyst which is poisoned by BaSO4 and sulfur, this reduction process is stopped at aldehydic stage. So we can get aldehyde in this reduction of acid chlorides. Now see the related questions. Find the product in below reaction. This is the given reactant reduced by hydrogen in presence of Lindlar's catalyst. Then what is the product? In this triple bond is there. So triple bond is reduced to double bond. Write the given reactant. This is given reactant. Its name is acetylene dicarboxylic acid. Acetylene dicarboxylic acid is treated with Lindlar's catalyst. Then we can get cis-alkene. Cis-alkene. That means functional groups COOH remain as it is. Only double bond is formed. So this is malic acid. Malic acid. This is cis form. So acetylene dicarboxylic acid is treated with hydrogen in presence of Lindlar's catalyst. Then we can get cis dicarboxylic acid, that is nothing but malic acid. Then what is the answer? Option C is the answer. So option C is the answer. This is fumaric acid. This is trans form. This is cis form. Next. Benzene ring is attached to acetylene. That compound is treated with hydrogen in presence of Lindlar's catalyst. Then what is the product? Here also inside the benzene ring double bond is there. Outside between the carbon atoms triple bond is there. So Lindlar's catalyst can reduce this triple bond to double bond. Then reaction is, see here, this is the given reactant, is treated with reduced by hydrogen in presence of Lindlar's catalyst. Then product is this one. This is the product. CH double bond CH2, styrene. Next question. See here. This is the reactant. In this double bond, triple bond and COCl all are present. This compound is treated with hydrogen in presence of Lindlar's catalyst. Then what happens? This COCl change to CHO, triple bond change to double bond. What about this one? It remains as it is. So what is the reaction? See here. Same reactant I am writing here. This is the given reactant. Now it is treated with reduced by hydrogen in presence of Lindlar's catalyst. LC means Lindlar's catalyst. Then we can get the product. This one. See here, this double bond remains intact. There is no change. Triple bond reduced to double bond and cis addition takes place. Hydrogens are added in cis form to give cis form. COCl is changed to C double bond OH. That means CHO. Then what is the product? Option B is the answer. Option B is the answer. Okay, students.